Self-confidence and self-doubt are two important aspects of personal development that can greatly impact an individual's overall well-being and success. Self-confidence is the belief in one's abilities, qualities, and judgment, while self-doubt is the opposite, it's the lack of belief in oneself. Building self-confidence and overcoming self-doubt is essential for personal growth and achieving goals. Low self-confidence can lead to a lack of motivation, fear of failure, and a lack of resilience when facing challenges. On the other hand, having self-confidence can lead to increased motivation, better decision-making, and greater resilience in the face of adversity. There are several techniques that can be used to build self-confidence and overcome self-doubt. One of the most effective ways is to set small and achievable goals, and then celebrate the successes. Each time an individual achieves a goal, they feel a sense of accomplishment, which leads to increased self-confidence. Another effective technique is to practice positive self-talk. This involves replacing negative thoughts and self-talk with positive and constructive thoughts. This can help to shift one's mindset and promote self-confidence. It's also important to surround oneself with supportive and positive people. Seek out people who believe in you, who will encourage and support you, and who will provide constructive feedback. Additionally, it's important to recognize and challenge limiting beliefs. Limiting beliefs are negative thoughts that individuals have about themselves and their capabilities. Recognizing these beliefs and challenging them can help to overcome self-doubt and build self-confidence. Certainly, building self-confidence and overcoming self-doubt can also involve learning new skills and taking on new challenges. By expanding one's knowledge and abilities, an individual can feel more capable of tackling new tasks and achieving their goals. This can be done by taking classes, reading self-help books, attending workshops, or even experimenting with different hobbies. Another technique that can help to build self-confidence is to take care of oneself physically, mentally, and emotionally. This includes getting enough sleep, eating a healthy diet, and exercising regularly. Engaging in activities that promote self-care can help individuals feel better about themselves, which can lead to increased self-confidence. It's also important to practice mindfulness and self-reflection. This involves taking time to reflect on one's thoughts and feelings, and being aware of how they're impacting one's behavior and decision-making. This can help individuals to identify and overcome negative thought patterns and limiting beliefs that are holding them back. It's also important to acknowledge and accept failure as a natural part of life and learning. Failure is a part of the process of reaching your goals, it's not the end. By accepting failure and learning from it, individuals can build resilience and self-confidence. In conclusion, building self-confidence and overcoming self-doubt is a continuous process that requires effort and dedication. By setting small and achievable goals, practicing positive self-talk, surrounding oneself with supportive people, challenging limiting beliefs, learning new skills, taking care of oneself, practicing mindfulness, accepting failure and learning from it, individuals can overcome self-doubt and build self-confidence. This can lead to greater motivation, better decision-making, and increased resilience in the face of adversity and the ability to achieve their personal and professional goals.